Careful with that pallet. Easy now, bring it straight to the table.
Got it. Lowering the load.
Perfect, let's inspect. Checking quality.
Every luxury bag begins with carefully graded leather.
Next step, cleaning.
Cleaning prepares the leather for processing.
Ready for processing. Transporting to the processing floor. Sending them upstairs.
Efficient transport keeps materials moving continuously.
Bring the next batch here. Tanning drums ready. Tanning begins.
Inside this facility, raw hides transform into luxury leather.
Let's head inside. Processing happens on the main floor.
Tanning transforms raw hide into durable leather.
The tanning process can take several hours. Next stage, cleaning and sorting. Neutralizing the leather. Removing extra moisture.
Quality inspection ensures only the best leather continues.
Sorting by thickness and quality. Grade A confirmed, lane clear. Premium hide routing to mainline. This one is perfect for luxury bags. Preparing the hide for precision cutting. Thinning edges for stitching. Setting the pattern mold.
This unique texture defines the bag's signature look.
Now we add color.
Dye penetrates deep into the leather fibers.
Color applied evenly. Polishing the finish.
Every panel must meet strict luxury standards.
Adding protective finish. Now the leather is ready.
Next comes precision assembly.
Panels ready for stitching.
Precision stitching ensures durability and strength.
Forming the bag structure.
Luxury bags combine leather craftsmanship with precision engineering.
Final hardware installed. Almost ready for packaging. Final polish for the luxury finish.
Every bag must meet strict luxury quality standards.
Packaging complete. Ready for shipment. And this is how modern factories produce luxury monkey pattern leather bags from start to finish.
From raw hide to luxury craftsmanship.